Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Edmond Mendaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve if you're having an issues with LBRS64.SYS blue screen error saying that this driver is out of date or incompatible with your computer on Windows 11 or Windows 10. In a quick info about LBRS64.SYS file is a driver from Logitech Webcam Software Essential to run camera on Windows 11 or Windows 10. Alright, so without further ado, and let's go ahead. So ang first solution na pwede natin gawin ay to update the webcam driver. Kung paano gawin yan, so dito lang sa start menu, so right click ka lang, and then select mo lang dito yung device manager, and then dito sa device manager, and then select mo lang dito yung camera, so click mo lang ito, and then next ay click mo lang itong pinakauna, and then kailangan mo lang mag right click, and then select mo lang dito yung properties. So dito sa kanyang properties, dito lang sa pinakauna ay select mo lang dito yung driver. And then next ay kailangan mo lang i-click tong update driver. Okay, so update mo lang ito. And then pop up tong dalawang options na search automatically or browse my computer. Select ka lang dito sa dalawa. Alright, so select lang natin tong search automatically. And then the best drivers for your device are already installed. Okay, so in the next solution na pwede natin gawin if the error still persists, so dito lang sa searching bar ng ating computer, ay search mo lang dito yung CMD or ito yung tinatawag na command prompt. So kailangan mo lang dito mag right click and then click mo lang dito yung run as administrator. So dito sa administrator command prompt ay kailangan lang natin i-enter tong command keyword na to. So ilalagay ko to sa description box and then kailangan lang natin dito i-paste and then press mo lang yung enter and then makikita mo dito na driver package uninstalled. Okay, in the next method na pwede natin gawin ay kailangan lang natin mag-restart. Okay, so click mo lang tong start menu and then click mo lang tong restart. Alright, so ganun lang po kasimple kung paano natin i-fix ang LBRS64.SYS blue screen error causing problem and unable to remove it. Alright, so please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.